Hello and welcome. We are going through a CP run, how to bring some troops to the tank. In the CP run, first of all, we have some different ways to bring in some troops. Maybe your clan said you need to calculate by yourself, let's say the health of the max staking or the strength of the max staking. In loss, we bring up the right numbers so that you don't need to calculate. It's written in here, you see. We have everything. We have the Spearman, Swordman, Vulture, Rider, Griff, and each monster type. Why we go with some Spearmen, we don't have the Griffs on a defender, so we take the Spearmans. If we go for Griffs, we have the Archer for that, but that's not a big deal. You can take some Archer with you if you want. It's not the best way, and you maybe have the right number in the food production. If you go for each or every type of this, it's better to bring in the right troops. So, yes. And what should we send with us, with our troops? Let's say you need to check if you can send your army with armor and artifacts, let's say Philosopher's Stone, Infrit of Lord Belt, Fan of the Five Winds, maybe the Heart of the Forest, and please send all the captains for the most bonus. So that will be great. So we have the tank, and we press on the tank, bring him some reinforcement. And you see in here, I have Animator, Dustan, and Bill. We take our dragon with us. No mercs. Please do not send them or ask your tank if you can't send them. You see in here, we have 4 of each monster type. Monster 8. We have 24 monsters level 7. You see in here. 24. Please, one thing, if you are going with the slider, go lower than the number because it's a max number. So do not send 26 or something else. You can click in, type in the number, and it will place the number inside. So we go through. We have the Griffs, let's say all the Griffs. We have some riders. You see in here, in loss, you can take the riders of 7, the guardists and the specialist, up to a max of 3,600. You see in here, 3,600, and in here too. Yeah, and you can place every number, let's say, in these fields and go through. If you have the right number trained, you can only press up the slider to the right or bring the slider to the right and go through all these types of troops. Before you send, please make sure that you have your conquest points in use. Let's say I press it on 6 hours because I have enough. Experience points, we bring them up. Valor points we don't need. Army strength, and I do the army health too, so we have each bonus. And then we bring them to the tank, so start the march and wait for the CP run and have some fun. I hope it helps and you know how to bring your troops to the tank. Please, it's a max number in our clan. If your tank is going to give you a max number, please go with only maximum, because you can bring up the CP run in a false direction if you send the false troops, and your tank needs to go through each type of your troops, and it's not easy. So please, if your tank is going to give you a number or whatever, please stick to it and yeah, bring the right troops. So it's easy. It's not a big thing. And I hope you have fun with that video, and we see us in the next video.